Indonesian culinary diversity. Indonesia is the 14th largest country and the largest archipelagic country in the world. Indonesia is also called a maritime country because most its territory is ocean. This causes Indonesia to have a diversity of cultures, religions, race, tribes, and Indonesia culinary diversity. Culinary Indonesia is very diverse, and each region has food with its own characteristics and tastes, starting from sweet, salty, savory, to spicy. All are in Indonesia cuisine. This diversity is caused by 1. First, geographical condition. Indonesia's strategic geographical location makes our land fertile to support the growth of various types of plants, including species that are characteristics of Indonesia. Second, cultural influence. Indonesia's society in the past was dynamic and very open to various cultures that came. This then gave rise to meetings between cultures. Third, spice and verbs. The diversity of flavor in Indonesia cuisine cannot be spared from the rule of a blend of spices. That is one of the advantages of typical Nusantara food, strong in the taste of spices. Example of Indonesian culinary diversity. Nasi goreng, fried rice, is an iconic Indonesian dish that is famous throughout the world. Rendang, a typical Minangkabau meat dish cooked with coconut milk and spices. Pempek, a typical food from South Sumatra. This food is made from processed fish mixed with sagu, complete with cuko sauce or vinegar. Kerak telur, a typical Jakarta food made from sticky rice, serundeng, and eggs. Rujak cingur, a typical Indonesian food from East Java. This rujak is a mixture of vegetable and fruit dosed with petis seasoning. Thank you. Countable noun. Countable nouns are nouns that can be counted or numbered. Example: 1 apple, 2 apples. Usually, countable nouns are identical to objects or things that can be seen, touched, or felt, but not limited to things related to physical things. Adverbs of quantity. In the singular form, countable nouns often begin with articles such as a, and, the, and numbers. For plural patterns, words such as several, many, some, and so on can usually be added. Example for singular positive. I have an apple. I bought a book yesterday. She has a banana. Danny speaks a follower. Example singular negative. Janita doesn't have a bicycle. Meta didn't eat eggs this morning. I don't have an apple. Melati doesn't have an umbrella. Example singular for interrogative. Do you have a bicycle? Is there a computer there? Does Rio have an umbrella? Did Meta eat an egg this morning? Example for plural positive. Arkan eats some apples. Danny has many cats in his house. There are some bananas in the basket. I have several cars. Example for plural negative. They didn't buy 2 balls. She didn't bring any books to class. Karin doesn't pick flowers from the garden. There are not any pens on the table. Example for plural interrogative. Are there any students in the classroom? Can you buy some hats? How many dogs do you have? Can I have some tea, please? Terima kasih.